Here we're looking at top MBA colleges with fees less than 10 lakhs for the 2 years. Normally, the fees for a lot of top colleges are 20 lakhs or more, but there are colleges with lower fees. Okay, we do run courses for CAT and MBA Entrance Exam. If you're interested, you can contact us. Now, one is FMS Delhi Government College. 2.5 lakhs is the fees for 2 years, and average placement 34.5. I mean, FMS comes in the top 5 colleges in India, and considering its very low fees, it's supposed to be one of the best in terms of fees versus average package. None of the other colleges can provide that much. So you have only 2.5 lakhs that you'll pay for 2 years, but the placements 34.5 is on par with the top apps. So that is one. You need to write the CAT examination for this if you want to get into FMS Delhi. Score really very high and try to get admission out there. Right? But it's worth it if you get it. But yeah, JBIMS Mumbai, fees is around 6.5 lakhs for 2 years. Average package around 26.1, 27 lakhs per annum. JBIMS is supposed to be one of the top colleges in Bombay and India as well. Top 10 it comes under. Yes, you need to write a CET exam to get into JBIMS. So good college. If you're looking at a lower fees, it is supposed to be one of the best. This again only for HR. Now this is known Mumbai only for HR as such. It only provides HR course. The fees is 1.85 lakhs for 2 years and the placements are 26 lakhs per annum. So again, very low fees with amazing placements. So that's the advantage. I mean, these colleges can afford the lower fees purely because the government college is subsidized completely by government. And considering low fees and high package, I think it's worth it if you can get admission to it. TIS now takes CAT. So if you look at two colleges, takes CAT. FMS and TIS takes up CAT examination for admission, whereas JBIMS takes up Bajaj takes up CETS for the exam. So these are top colleges with lower fees and very good placements. If you're interested, you can look at applying for these colleges. But yes, you will have to work hard to get into it. Right? Thank you.